to several different religious traditions which express themselves through words. So, right view is one of the wisdom practices from the Buddhist Eightfold Path. So, when he talked about shoes, and here's just another side comment. What do words do? They separate, divide, and categorize. We made them up. So, when you talk about wrong or right, it's really not a wrong or right doctrine, but it's more a certain views at specific times, because this is not static, this is dynamic. But certain views can, and certain conduct, right action is another one of the Buddhist Eightfold Path. Certain conduct can lead to the end of suffering, human created suffering.